Okay, welcome back, class. Last time we introduced power and energy production in the whole world, and we tried to explain and tell the difference between power and energy. We also looked at different forms of power and energy resources. For example, we looked at non-renewable energy resources. We looked at renewable energy resources. We looked at conventional and non-conventional energy resources. So this time let us look at examples of non-renewable energy. Remember, non-renewable energy is this type of energy which is exhaustible. You can exhaust it and you will not be able to bring it back. So we have number one, nuclear energy. This is an example of non-renewable energy which is obtained or exploited from a mineral called uranium. Through a process of nuclear fusion, nuclear energy is obtained from uranium. You may ask that what is nuclear energy used for? It is used for making atomic weapons. It also provides nuclear fuel which is used to generate electricity. Countries like USA, Canada, UK, France, Japan, Germany are the largest producers of nuclear energy. Let's look at coal. Coal is the second example of non-renewable energy. What is coal? Coal is a sedimentary deposit formed by the slow action of heat and pressure on plant remains buried in the long past. When organic materials from plants decay, they change into peat, and peat is finally converted into coal. It is a mechanical mixture of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Types of coal. For us to understand these types, we need to base on color, on density, on the content of moisture, on content of carbon for each, and plus other elements. Let's begin with type number one, which is anthracite coal. This is hard coal. It is hard and dense. It is relatively free from iron compounds and moisture. It is made up of 95 carbon content, 95% carbon. Bituminous coal. Bituminous coal, this is always bright coal in color. The moisture content is relatively low, and the fixed carbon content ranges from about 50 to 80%. Lignite coal. This is known as brown coal in color. It is characterized by high moisture content, generally about 40%, and fixed carbon content is also 40%. We have peat coal. This is young coal, which consists partly of decomposed materials or vegetation. It occurs in bog and muddy areas. Uses of coal. Coal is used in thermal generators, definitely to produce thermal electricity. Coal is used as a domestic fuel for heating. Coal is used in iron smelting industries. It provides a number of raw materials for chemical industries like coal gas and coal tar. Thank you.